Hey guys, welcome back. Stop answering calls on WhatsApp until you change these security settings, because there are a few settings on your phone that you need to change right now. And one of them could become a serious security risk if a stranger sends you a malicious link through WhatsApp. So I'm going to show you exactly what to change. Open the main settings, go to Apps. Now look for WhatsApp. This is where the important settings are hiding. First, tap Permissions. Look for Nearby Devices. Nearby device access allows apps to interact with nearby devices and connections when certain Android features require it. If you don't use a feature that needs this permission, select Don't Allow. Now go back, scroll down, and look for Picture in Picture. This allows WhatsApp to display content in a floating window over other apps. If you don't use it, turn it off. Why leave another app permission active when you actually don't need it? Now, there's another setting you need to check. Go back to the settings. Use the search bar and look for Install Unknown Apps. On some Android phones, you may find it under Special App Access. This one is dangerous. If WhatsApp is allowed to install apps from unknown sources, a stranger can send you a convincing malicious link and trick you into downloading a dangerous APK. That APK could contain malware or spyware. So unless you specifically need this permission, turn off Allow from this source right now. Now open WhatsApp itself. Tap the three dots in the top right. Go to Settings. Tap Privacy. Scroll all the way to the bottom. Tap Advanced. Now look for Protect IP Address in Calls. If it's off, turn it on. Here's why this matters the most. Your IP address can reveal information about your internet connection and potentially your approximate location. When this feature is enabled, WhatsApp routes calls through its servers to help prevent the other person from directly seeing your IP address. There can be a small effect on call quality, but you get an extra layer of privacy. While you're on this same page, there's one more very important privacy setting you need to check. Look for Link Previews. When this is enabled, WhatsApp generates a preview for a link. Information can be sent to the website behind that link. A malicious or tracking link from a stranger could use that to collect information you never intended to share. So turn on Disable Link Previews and stop WhatsApp from automatically generating these previews. And that's it. If you use WhatsApp every day, go and check these settings before your next call. And if you found this video helpful, like it and subscribe for more privacy and security tips. Thanks for watching.